Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is hands down the best paper for your calculator or adding machine. The Universal Adding Machine Calculator Roll, size 2 to 1/4 of an inch by 150 feet, available in a convenient 12-pack. If you rely on a calculator or adding machine for your business, bookkeeping, or everyday calculations, having the right paper roll is absolutely crucial. This product is designed specifically to meet those needs with quality and reliability that stands out from the rest. First off, the Universal Calculator paper is made from premium bond paper that ensures permanent records. That means your calculations and receipts won't fade over time, giving you peace of mind for keeping track of important transactions or audits. The paper is smooth and lint-free, so it reduces the chances of jams in your machine, a common frustration when using lower quality paper. Each roll is a generous 150 feet long and measures 2 to 1/4 of an inch wide, which fits most standard adding machines and calculators. The size and length balance well, so you won't need to replace rolls frequently, making it efficient and economical in the long run. One thoughtful feature you'll appreciate is the near-end roll indicator. This little convenience alerts you when the paper is running low, so you can replace it without any interruption to your work. No more surprises or scrambling for a new roll right when you need it most. The paper is bright white, providing clear and crisp printouts that are easy to read, which is essential for quick referencing. It's latex-free, making it safe to handle for those sensitive to latex products, and it is proudly made in the USA, assuring quality manufacturing standards. In terms of packaging, the 12-roll pack is ideal for businesses or heavy users who want to stock up and avoid the hassle of frequent reordering. Each roll weighs about 3.5 pounds, so they're easy to handle and store. Overall, this Universal Adding Machine Calculator roll is a practical and high-quality choice. If you want durability, smooth printing, and a product designed with user convenience in mind, whether for office, retail, or personal use, it delivers consistent performance every time. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.